So in this video we are going to talk about a related table using related function. So this is this function you will find exclusive over here as a part of the DAX function. So far we have seen functions which are common in Excel and Power BI. So here's something you will find exclusive function. So why I am saying this, you will get to know it now. So consider that now we use this function to get the data from a related table, right? So as a function name is a related function. So we are going to use this function to get the data from related table. So I will show you the purpose is I need to calculate a revenue, right? So I have order quantity here, but I don't have a price over here to calculate the revenue, right? So I have a order quantity here. So I'm in F cells, you can see I'm in fact table of cells. So let me just create a column for a price. So once we have a price, we can just multiply the price and total order quantity. On the basis of that, we can calculate the revenue. Revenue is not there. So I'm going to call first of all price. So here I'm creating new column. Right. So all of you know how to create a new column. We already discussed. So I'm taking here a price is equals to, so related. When I use this function related, it will show me the table which are related with these F sales table, these tables. So why I'm able to see all these customer table, D customer table, D products table, product subcategories, D territories, because we already created a relationship between this table. So we have already seen these in model view. We have created a relationship between the different tables, among the different tables. So whatever the relation is already created between the tables, that can be seen under this related function. So simply I can call that particular column from that table, right? So what I need a price of that product. So where I will get this price? I will get this price in product table, right? Where it is? So product price. I am simply clicking on it, right? And close the bracket and press enter. See the match. I got the price. So now here you can see the order quantities are here 1111 and the price of that particular product. So our interest is to calculate the revenue. So how we can calculate the revenue? So again create a new column, right? So what we want? A revenue, right? Our main purpose is to calculate a revenue. I'm taking slow here because you are on a basic part of tax. We are moving further at the complex part and later on. So revenue, then price. See, if I type price, I can see the price of that product because we are doing this in Excel. Product price into order quantity, right? Is it done? So we got the answer. So you can see the similar values because order quantities are 1 over here, is 1 here. So if you move further, if order quantity gets changed, let me drag this. See, 2s are here, the revenue got changed. Right? Order quantity and the price, right? Price is 999 and 2. So this is what the revenue we got. So you can use this related function to call another column or different types of columns from related tables only. So consider that if these F cells is not connected with the products, we would not be able to call that particular column from that tables because we already created a relationship in the previous videos. We have seen So you can call that particular column for that related table only. I hope that you got the idea of the related table, right?